In this video, we're going to talk about how to use your PayPal Seller Hub dashboard feature. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is go to paypal.com and log in into your business account, and make sure you have a business account to access the Seller Hub, by the way. Then you want to simply go ahead and click on the Seller Hub from the top left menu, and you'll land on your Seller dashboard overview right over here. Then all you need to do is simply go ahead and get a quick snapshot of your business performance, view balance, sales, orders, and recent activities. You can simply go ahead and explore key features, like use the left menu to explore every feature. All tools are designed to help you save time and grow business. You can also go ahead and check your transactions and payments, so you can view incoming and outgoing payments in real time, filter by status, date, and transaction type, and you can also generate detailed reports on sales, customers, transactions, and more. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.